Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? It is I, the Work at Home Job Queen, and today is November the 14th, 2020. And I'm here today to share some new work at home job opportunities with you guys. As always, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Make sure that you come over and sign up to the email newsletter. It is 100% free. All you do is come over to the blog, link in the description box down below. Type your email where it says get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Then click send me new leads, okay? I'll only send you new work at home job leads to your email. Next up, come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. If you're on Facebook, make sure that you answer the 3 questions and make sure your account is not new, okay? I'm not going to keep you guys along on today. The first opportunity that I'm going to share with you guys is with Teledoc. Now, they're basically hiring almost all, well, I'm not going to say almost all states. They're hiring in a ton of states, okay? Now, the pay for this is $18 to $22 per hour. I'm not sure the exact amount, but I think you'll be making at least $18 an hour, okay? You can go over to Glassdoor and get a little bit more information with that. But for those of you who don't know what Teledoc is the virtual healthcare. It's a virtual healthcare platform where you can go online and you can communicate with board certified physicians, and you can basically get your prescriptions and all that stuff without actually going to an actual, doctor's office or hospital or whatever like that. Now, they only are going to help you with certain situations. Of course, if you're in a medical emergency, you're going to need to go to the hospital. But if it's something as simple as a cold or anything like that, or if your child needs something as far as medication or prescription or something like that, you can do all of that through Teledoc. So you'll basically be answering customers' phone calls, emails, and chats through Teledoc, to get them in touch with a physician. So I would definitely recommend anybody interested to go over and check this out. This is a wonderful opportunity. It is full time. So keep that in mind. I know that a lot of people are looking for part-time work, but this particular position is full time, $18 to $22 per hour. All right. Next up is going to be for Landmark Health. Now, if you're looking for part-time, this is an opportunity you guys can check out. They're hiring for patient care coordinators. Now, what you'll basically be doing is you'll basically be answering the phones, chat, and email for Landmark Health patients. Now, sometimes I think they said that the physicians, nurse practitioners, and the physician assistants might also be calling in, I don't know, pharmacists, et cetera, et cetera. So you'll basically be working for Landmark Health to assist the patients who use the Landmark Health medical group. All right. So they have several different positions available for that one. They have the 12 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. shift, Tuesday through Saturday. They also have a 11 p.m. until 6:30 a.m. shift, Saturday and Sunday. So if you only want a weekend gig because you work Monday through Friday outside of the home, they also have that available. Now, they're only hiring in a couple of states, okay? So, and California is one of those states. For those of you guys out there in California who always, wonder why they don't have any work at home opportunities for California, California is on this list, and so is New York, for those of you that are in New York, all right? They also have another shift from 2 p.m. until 11 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. So if you're looking for something, again, on the weekends, which is part-time, Saturday and Sunday, definitely check this out. Okay, so that's Landmark Health. Remember, all the links will be in the description box down below. There is one link. I'm going to tell you where to apply. You're going to be applying for Landmark Health. If you're interested in the Teledoc position, you'll find Teledoc. All you do, you guys, is so simple. You click the blog, and all you do is scroll down, and all of the jobs are right here listed for you. All you do is click it, and it'll send you directly to the application, okay? Next up is going to be Unum. They're actually hiring customer service reps to assist them with their Star Mount customers, okay? So basically, you will be assisting folks with disability, life insurance, accident insurance, critical illness insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, all those things. So you'll be doing customer service for them. I forgot what the pay is for this position. I really did. But if anytime you're wondering about what the pay is for a position, go to Glassdoor and type in the name of the company, and you can find usually what the salaries are, if it's not, undisclosed. Because some companies don't like to disclose what their pay is. publicly. But of course, anytime you're invited to an interview, of course, you can ask what the pay is and you can decide whether or not you want to proceed or not proceed. Okay. Now for this one, you'll be working a regular assigned shift between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, or 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. Central Saturday. No shifts in after 7 p.m. on weekdays or 3 p.m. on weekends. So during the weekdays, you'll always be off before 7, and on the weekend, you'll always be off before 3 p.m. So that's another great opportunity for those of you guys who are interested. And again, this is for a customer service representative for Unum. Okay, check this out. It is a full-time position. And again, there are several others. I just wanted to tell you guys about those. There are so many others that I posted yesterday. For example, transcriptionist. Teleperformance is looking for transcriptionists to work from home. This is basically a data entry position. All right. So you will be basically listening to pre-recorded audio files and transcribing it into text. So it is basically data entry. Now you will need to have some typing skills for this one because you'll be basically typing all day. So you need to be able to type at least 60 words per minute with this position. All right. So if you're a typer, I always recommend people, look, if you're looking to, do something off the phones, you need to learn how to type. So even if it's a chat position, you're going to know how to type. You're going to have to know how to type. You can't be on the computer pecking if you're looking for a chat position. So go on some of these free typing programs and just practice your typing if you're looking for anything data entry or chat, because you're going to need to learn how to type. Because with these chat positions now, they're hiring, they're having such high volumes of people who are, reaching out, that you're going to need to consecutively, talk to at least 3 customers at a time. So you're going to have to know how to type. You're not going to be able to be on there trying to figure out what an A and a B and a C at, when you're talking to 3 different people, because your production is going to be down, and that's going to be a problem. So again, come over to the blog, scroll and check out the opportunities. Do not just stay under today's date, you guys. Just scroll until you can't scroll no more. Okay. Good luck, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you sign up to the email newsletter to get these jobs sent to your email. Talk to you later. Bye.